वेलकम टू एचडी एजुकेटर क्लासेस। आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 1 3 क्वेश्चंस के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वर द 3 क्वेश्चंस दैट अकर टू द किंग, एंड द आंसर इज द 3 क्वेश्चन दैट अकर्ड इन द किंग माइंड वर व्हाट वाज द राइट टाइम टू डू ए वर्क, हु आर द राइट पीपल टू डील विद, एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट important थिंग टू डू। Second question is, why did the king go to the wise hermit? Why did he go there alone and devised like a commoner? Answer is dissatisfied with the dissatisfied with the with the learned man answers based on bookish knowledge. Okay, dissatisfied with the learned man answers based on bookish knowledge, the king decided to visit the hermit as he was renowned and was expected. Expected TED, okay, TED, ये है expected, to answer his questions with practical knowledge. He went there alone, disguised as a commoner, because the hermit received only the common folk. And the third question is क्या है, who was the bearded man who came running from the woods? How had he got wounded? The bearded man was the king's mortal enemy who planned to kill him. He was recognized by the king's bodyguards who wounded him. The man himself disclosed identity to the king next morning, as he was moved by the king's efforts to save his life. Question number 4 is, why did the continuous digging at the hermit's place save his life? Had the king not continued digging till sunset, it could cost him life. Had he gone back home, the bearded would have come out of his hiding and would have killed the king. Horse. Next we will do horse. Horse में first question है हमारा, briefly explain the answer that king go to his 3 questions, making these answers your base. Comment on the importance of the present moment in our life. The hermit answered the 3 questions of the king very convincingly. According to him, the most important time is when has any power. The man that we are dealing with is the most necessary person, and doing good to him is the most important affair. Present moment is the most significant moment of life, as it gives us opportunity to improve upon what we did in past, and it also helps us build a brilliant future. If present is utilized properly, the quality of the entire life improves, because it is present that will become past after some time, and it will be a good foundation for future also. Then life skill. Knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than theoretical knowledge. Discuss the above statement in the light of the fact that the hermit did not answer the king's question as soon as they were put to the because he wanted to satisfy the curiosity of king through practical knowledge. He wanted to the king to realize the importance of present moment. Next is value. For what purpose alone was man sent into this life? What is the purpose? The purpose is to be considerate to the people who are with us at the present moment. The spelling of moment, MOMENT. We should help needy and forgive others for their mistakes. In this way, we can improve our relationship, as the king forgave the bearded man and enmity turned into friendship. ओके, तो ये थे हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज डायरी एंट्री ऑफ द किंग, वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे.